আমি মাঝে মাঝে ভাবি যে ইন্সপিরেশনের শুরুটা কি করে হলো।
ইন্সপিরেশনের শুরু বেসিক্যালি আমরা তখন আরডিসিতে মিস্টার একে মুখার্জিদা আমাদের সঙ্গে রয়েছেন, পার্থ তখন বালুচরি, তুই আর পার্থ অ্যাজ ম্যাটার অফ বালুচরির কাজটা নিয়ে যাচ্ছিস, আমরাও সেই পিএফএম এর কাজে কিছুটা ইব্রাডের সঙ্গেও কাজ করলাম।
A group of professionals spent evenings together in 1995 to create a platform for a sustainable endeavor, an effort which could in some form make a meaningful dent in the lives of millions burdened by injustice and false promises. The genesis of an NGO happened at this juncture, and a legitimate entity, Inspiration, was born on the 8th of January 1996. B58 IIT campus was the intellectual workshop when it first came into existence, and GC1, second floor, Salt Lake, Kolkata, is its present registered office and activity hub. The group comprised 12 members from varied disciplines whose complementaries was believed to sum up to an ideal justified for accomplishing the objectives of the organization.
It is our objective to carry out research, study and action-oriented projects on different kinds of issues like socio-cultural issues, economic issues and environmental issues. We aim at improving the quality of life of the people, particularly those in the weaker section of the society.
During the initial months of strive for existence, Inspiration had the opportunity to conduct 2 training programs for 2 distinctly different targets. Training on agroclimatic regional planning for the farmers of Nayagram block of Midnapur district, and training on participatory rural appraisal for Indian Forest Service officers of West Bengal.
ACRP is a new concept in the sense that it involves the agriculturist in total planning itself. Thereby it's really planning by the farmers. In that way we engaged our Inspiration, an NGO, experienced NGO, under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Chandri Das, who had some training program on our behalf in certain districts of Midnapur, and it was very successful program, I must say, and it created much awareness among the farmers for this development of agriculture in holistic manner.
Inspiration experienced a breakthrough when it was awarded the consultancy assignment on design and implementation of IEC strategy in the context of the State Health System Development Project in West Bengal, which was carried out in Bankura district.
The approach to the exercise was community capacitating and community institutionalization for sustainability. The program could create ripples in the prevailing situation, and Inspiration received the acknowledgement from all corners.
We assigned Inspiration out of several competitors. They were selected to carry out IEC programs, design them and implement them in Bankura district, which is very backward and was quite a challenge. I was very glad to find that they performed quite well.
Inspiration generated 2 small pamphlets, the IEC messages and From Apathy to Acceptance.
In 2002, we, that is Inspiration, started working with children. In association with UNICEF, we planned a novel approach of working with children to approach the community in changing the sanitation behavior.
Another program involving the children was the Environmental Education in Schools of the Ministry of Human Resource Development. Learning through action and fun had been the approach in schools, and strategies were designed to transmit the behavior change from student to guardian to community.
ইন্সপিরেশন গত 1 বছর যাবত আমাদের বিদ্যালয়ের ছাত্রছাত্রীদের নিয়ে বিভিন্ন ক্লাসের 6, 7, 8, 9 এই সমস্ত ক্লাসের ছেলেমেয়েদের নিয়ে পরিবেশ সচেতনতার উপরে কাজ করেছে।
Since 2001, Inspiration has been working on livelihood programs. It started with a study on the functional assessment of 374 Dwakra groups in Burdwan district and gradually got involved in the program on socio-economic empowerment of the below poverty line enlisted people in the Burdwan and Hooghly districts.
ইন্সপিরেশন একটা স্বেচ্ছাসেবী সংস্থা আমাদের এই চণ্ডীতলা 2 পঞ্চায়েত সমিতিতে ওনারা এসেছেন আমাদের সঙ্গে কাজ করছেন বিশেষ করে SGSOI স্বর্ণ জয়ন্তী গ্রাম স্বরোজগার যোজনা যারা দারিদ্র্য সীমার নিচে যে সমস্ত পরিবার রয়েছেন মেয়েরা রয়েছেন বা যুবকরা রয়েছেন তাদের নিয়ে ওনারা গ্রুপ করছেন
Inspiration now has nearly 150 groups and around 2,000 people who are at different levels of functioning towards empowerment.
আমরা বড়ির কারবার করি বড়ির কারবার আমাদের কিন্তু খুব ভালোই চলে
Gradually over the years, Inspiration matured to the position of an evaluation consultant for the government, international NGOs as well as national NGOs.
Inspiration as an expert in the field was engaged in the year 2002 to evaluate the mobile healthcare services in remote areas of Sundarbans. Their work was highly praised.
Human security and gender was considered a cross-cutting issue in Inspiration's discourses and programs.
The organization took upon themselves the SANEI-sponsored project on violence against women and its implications in the development process. This was a cross-country project involving Dhaka of Bangladesh and Kolkata of India.
The greatest advantage of Inspiration is its multidisciplinary team and obviously the very committed and energetic field operatives. We believe in participatory approach.
Thus, over the years, the organization could also undertake several studies and programs related to action planning, implementation in diverse sector domains ranging from biomass estimation of medicinal plants to preparation of non-farm sector action plan under DRIP with NABARD and consumer awareness. The project, sponsored by the Government of India, aimed to design and develop effective education material for strengthening the process of consumer awareness in West Bengal. The most effective processes and deliverables have been the consumer awareness in Puja program, the stakeholder discourse beyond awareness, SHG level meetings, animated CD and silent skit by children.
On our discourse, the beyond awareness, we wanted to spread the message that consumer be aware, and it was a great success.
GIS application for spatial attributed planning is an in-house expertise of Inspiration.
Here we are carrying out a project on health system referent planning using a GIS for arduous terrain.
The members in their individual capacity got involved in several research and study programs, a significant one being the LWR accompaniment study.
We studied 3 southern NGOs spread all over India and one northern NGO, that is the donor. We studied Lutheran World Relief.
Coordination and implementation of the Rural Interaction Program Moitri for Bashanti Devi College, Kolkata is a unique program addressing a dual objective of educating and orienting college students on several aspects of rural development on one hand and creating an atmosphere of change in villages through interactions and awareness, motivation inputs coming from students.
We were very happy to collaborate with Inspiration, who have been a real inspiration to us all.
Community capacity building of different sections of the community and adopting processes for community institutionalization has been Inspiration's approach to grassroots mobilization. As a charity initiative, Inspiration conducts health camps on a regular basis.
idea of health camps is to ensure enthusiasm among the villagers, and we are also distributing medicines as per required basis.
Here we are distributing the medicine. The patient is being checked by doctors, and I, being a doctor also, I am just distributing the medicine according to the prescription. Provide the entire medicine stock is being collected by donations, and some we bought also from our organization.
Children have always been the focus in Inspirations programs.
Over the last 10 years, we have taken up several programs for the development of children, particularly for enhancing their quality of life as well as making them conscious of their rights.
Throughout the years, sustainability has been a real hunt as well a haunt for Inspiration. Inspiration's in-depth research endeavors, detailed studies and action-oriented projects have yielded positive results. Focusing on social, cultural, gender, economic, health, education and environmental issues, touching the lives of people, creating a difference in the quality of living for the weaker sections of the society. Inspiration seeks participation from organizations, institutions of varied nature, citizens from all walks of life in its journey ahead, in its endeavor transforming dreams into reality, in its quest for sustainable development.